Hi cutie, Grace here. Today I'm going to draw a starfish, so let's get started. First, just following with me. Now draw two round big eyes. Inside with a circle and another smaller circle. A curve. Inside with lines. And the mouth. Now we have a starfish. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to following with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.